the new Cruising on Comp website, a Gamble Tracker app update, and an upcoming episode that you're going to want to make sure you don't miss. That's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back to Cruising on Comps. Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. This is Cruising on Comps, and like I mentioned in the intro, got a few different things we're going to cover today. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and get an update on the Gamble Tracker app. So, released this a little over a week ago. Got somewhere right around 100 people that have downloaded it so far. Many of those people have provided feedback. I've went ahead and made some tweaks and changes to the app based on that feedback. But if you haven't downloaded it yet, it's totally free. Look in the description. There's a link straight to it. Download it, try it out, give me some feedback so I can make this the best app there is out there to help gamblers really track their play. The second thing I want to go ahead and announce right now is sometime in the middle of February, I'm going to be interviewing the CEO of URComped on the channel. And if you're not familiar with URComped, it's a great resource to take current offers you may have and match them to other cruise lines and land-based casinos. Great resource out there for those of us that gamble. And I'll be having him on, and we will talk about all kinds of good stuff. So it should be a very informative interview. If you are familiar, I still think you'll learn something from it. If you're not, I definitely recommend you check it out because it's going to contain a lot of good information for you. Now, last thing on the list, I'm going to introduce you to the brand new Cruising on Comps website, show you what I've put on there so far. I'm going to also discuss some ideas I have moving forward. So without further ado, let's jump over to the computer and check it out. All right, everybody, here we are on the Cruising on Comps website. I did a brief overview of this in my app introduction video, but I wanted to kind of go into a little bit more detail. So basically on the home page, your basic standard stuff. We've got the welcome screen there. If you go down, proven strategies for using cruise casino rewards to earn free cruises. Here I've got links to the Gamble Tracker app, the comp programs for each cruise line, as well as casino status matching programs. And as I mentioned just a moment ago, I'll be adding the URComped information to that after I interview them for the site. So, exploring resources, I'm still working on this section. There's two things that are currently available. One is the Cruise Casino Comp Guides, and the other is the tips and tricks. And tools are coming soon. What I'm trying to do with this is create some tools that will help you make decisions on should you buy the drink package, how much you're saving on a cruise by booking it with a comp, being able to set your budget based off of your savings of booking it with a comp, etc. Just some standard things, but things that I think will help. In addition to that, eventually I want to kind of create some downloadable packing list, excursion list, just different things like that. And where I really want you guys to help me out with this is leave some comments or send me an email. And you can go right here to contact and send me an email. Send me an email on some things you would like to see on the site as well. I ultimately want to make this kind of a one-stop shop for anybody that's cruising, especially if they're cruising on casino comps, but just general cruisers as well. I won't, what to expect on embarkation day if you've never cruised before, disembarkation day, how to get to certain ports, the best places to stay, so on and so forth. I really want to build this into a very robust site that is really, really helpful for any and all cruisers, not just those that are cruising on casino comps. So to kind of go through real quick, On our tab up here, we do have the tab to go download the Gamble Tracker app. And if you have not done that already, like I mentioned, if you would, I would greatly appreciate it. But it kind of goes over, gives you some screenshots of things to expect with the app. Really excited about the app. Got a lot of positive feedback already, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. Comp programs. This basically goes through the 9 major cruise lines in the U.S. and how their comp programs work. Now, this is also another thing where if you see something in this that's incorrect, when you're reading through this information or you discover it's incorrect, please shoot me an email. I have not cruised on all these cruise lines, so I've not been able to do first-person verification, but I did do quite a bit of research, and my hope is all the information you see in this is correct. The next thing is the match programs. Again, basically which cruise lines do match programs and how they do those match programs. When you click into these, it'll kind of walk you through exactly how each one of them does that. And once again, if you discover there's some incorrect information, please let me know so I can get it corrected. I want to make sure that I'm giving 100% correct information. Again, I did a lot of research on this, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I was right. So firsthand information is always helpful. Tips and tricks. This is going to be where I post kind of a blog style of a lot of the videos that I do. There will be information in here that I do not do a video on or haven't done a video on yet. So this will expand on a regular basis. And I encourage y'all, if you have some type of story, situation, a tip or a trick that you do, email it to me and I can turn that into a post as well. I'd really love to do that. About is just about me. A little bit about how this whole thing got started and what my ultimate mission is with cruising on comps in general. I really want to make it something that's very value packed. And I'm not trying to turn this into a job or anything like that or full-time income, but I do want it to be something that really can help people not only save money, but also just gamble more responsibly. And that's my ultimate goal with this. And then again, the contact to contact me. So I will be adding information to this as time goes by. But once again, I really value all of y'all's feedback. Y'all are the ones that have really supported me and put me in a position to think about doing something like this and to give back to the community. And so obviously your input is very, very important in that regard. So if you would, please shoot me an email. Let me know what you'd like to see. I also have made a post on YouTube in the community section. You can leave a comment there. You can leave a comment in this video. However you'd like to do it. Any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. So with that, I won't keep you any longer. Really appreciate your time. Be on the lookout for more announcements about that interview with URComped. Again, I think it'll probably be around the middle of February when I release the episode. I'm really, really, really looking forward to talking to Craig and getting some insight from him on exactly how using URComped can be of ultimate value to any and all of you that currently get offers from existing cruise lines. All right. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.